IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. Are you good at reading maps? Band 5. Answer.
I think I'm not very good at reading maps because I get confused easily. Sometimes I mix up the directions and I need to stop and check again. It's a bit difficult for me, so I usually rely on my phone.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence. Basic flow but with hesitation and simple ideas. Lexical resource. Everyday words. Limited range. Grammar. Mostly simple sentences with some errors. I think I'm not very good. Pronunciation. Generally understandable but not precise. Typical of a Band 5. Communicates simple ideas but lacks complexity and accuracy. Band 7.5 Answer.
I'd say I'm fairly good at reading maps, but only when I take my time. I can usually figure out the main directions and landmarks, although occasionally I misread small details and end up taking a longer route. Still, I enjoy the challenge because it feels a bit like solving a puzzle.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence. Smooth with minor lapses. Develops ideas clearly. Lexical resource. Good range. Landmarks. Details. Challenge. Grammar. Mostly accurate with occasional slips. Pronunciation. Clear and easy to follow. Typical of a Band 7.5. Flexible use of vocabulary and grammar with good control. Band 9 Answer.
Yes, I'm very comfortable reading maps. Whether it's a digital one or an old-fashioned paper map, I can quickly identify key features, orient myself, and choose the most efficient route. In fact, I often prefer navigating this way because it gives me a stronger sense of where I am and how everything connects.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence. Effortless, fully developed, and natural. Lexical resource. Precise and sophisticated. Orient myself. Key features. Efficient route. Grammar. Fully accurate and varied. Pronunciation. Natural, smooth, and highly intelligible. Typical of a Band 9. Complete flexibility and accuracy in all aspects of the language. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.